The three Jodels, the Flying Froggies, are getting ready for our UK trip planned for June this year. Part of our planning involves learning to fly in a close three-plane formation. Well, Stéphane and I recently took part in a training course covering the theoretical basics of formation flying. The course was presented by Laurent Venet from the Vol des Aigles School in Mascaret. I've done some formation flying, especially with Didier and with Nicolas, but this was the first time we really put the training into action with the three aircraft we'll be taking to the UK. For the purposes of this video, I have managed to capture some of the cockpit audio with some of the exchanges between the three aircraft, albeit in French. I'll subtitle those communications in English. Now let's get over to the bay and try and hook up with the other two aircraft.
Kilo radio check. Bien reçu, X kilo, de Romeo Bravo. Prise de fréquence. Parfait pour tout le monde, vous me dites quand vous êtes rassemblés. Alors, tu peux donner ta position et ton altitude, le produit sans Québec. Je suis entre le sud du Bandarguin et le Wharf. Le cap au sud est 2000 pieds. Voici, c'est X kilo. X kilo, donc entre Sir Delta et Romeo Bravo, 2000 pieds, avec Romeo Bravo en vue, j'essaie de l'autre côté.
It's actually very difficult to pick out a small aircraft, even if the weather's good.
Ouais, c'est vrai qu'il tourne. Ouais, il va tout droit là. Bon, bien bravo, l'idéal c'est que tu reprennes un cap au nord. Cap au nord pour Romeo Bravo, j'entame demi-tour.
It's very useful having two pairs of eyes.
Comme ça, on va se mettre à l'intérieur de lui. Il nous voit. On va le laisser faire, Ouais.
Christian's Mascaret is powered by a 140 horsepower engine, whereas mine only has 100 horsepower.
Bravo d'X kilo, tu as visuel sur nous?
That means I've got some catching up to do, but I don't want to overshoot him either.
Donc, Bravo X kilo, je suis dans le virage pour te rejoindre sur l'ouest de ton aile gauche. Ah, c'est bien.
Getting into formation with three aircraft with three different types of engine power is the biggest challenge of all.
Romeo Bravo, vitesse 135 km/h. Kilo.
During our briefing before the flight, we decided that Romeo Bravo would be the lead aircraft. This meant that he had to fly with a lower speed than he would normally do, almost needing flaps, but not quite.
Romeo Bravo, j'ai visé sur vous deux. Bravo. On fait une passe devant Arcachon, ensuite on fera un large demi-tour devant Gujan.
A pre-flight briefing in these circumstances is absolutely essential, as is deciding which common radio frequency we'll be using.
Tu peux te rapprocher un petit peu. Ouais. Ah, tu peux resserrer un peu.
I'm making constant power adjustments with the throttle, while keeping my eyes fixed on Romeo Bravo.
Retour comme ça. Ouais. Allez, viens. Wow. Yeah.
Stéphane and I are taking turns in flying the aircraft. We both need the practice before our trip to the UK in June.
C'est magnifique les gars. Ok, on va poursuivre par un virage à gauche et je vous fais un décompte.
On prend les commandes? Ok, moi plein. De plein. Avec la caméra, on les verra hein? Ouais, super.
Bon ben bravo, on tire tout droit, on passe devant pour se poser. On prend dans la dure pour vous libérer l'herbe.
Écoute, on se rassemble vite fait.
On demandait de situer la fréquence tout à l'heure.
Ok, avec ces kilos, donc je vais quitter la fréquence, je compte à Arcachon, je vais descendre pour un retour par oui. Hey, tiens, pas parfait. You're paid. Kilo final, 07 herbe. Avec 5 kilos en très courte.
So there you have it, our first practice session in formation flying before our trip to the UK in June of this year. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe if it's not already done, leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time. So Molly, what do you reckon? That was a very good training course we did here, learning to fly, formation flying. Well, this was the theory anyway. So it was time to put the theory into practice, wasn't it?